I have a plan. They're letting us use stuff in the pile of junk. We can use this generator to power the motor in the refueling. We can use the resistor to power the circuit pig so the suicide triphosphate Hey, are you even listening to me?
Hey, of course not. We're not using your plan. It's too confusing to work.
I don't care what you say. I'm still trying.
I could push you off if I wanted to.
You're lying. You wouldn't do that. Your tiny, teeny, tiny little brain wouldn't allow such insanity.
Uh-oh.
Don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds.
Ouch!
Huh? Yeah, stay there. We need a plug. Huh? Icy and Leafy, hate to break it to you, but we just passed right by the finish line.
Look out! A tree!
What? Oh, this is just great.
Huh? Guys, the finish!